let me start with the basic things. First, what is startups? Everyone knows few things, but what exactly required in the early phase or early stage, that we cater in brief, in short brief, and then we focus on the important the weapons which required before implementing your idea for commercialization or maybe for validation also. It is much needed. Okay, before you thought of any idea, whether it will work or not, potentiality, what potential is available in market or not. Otherwise, it may happen that you may have countered by few already implemented the innovators. So let's see that slowly, gradually we'll understand. So this is what basic things will understand, like what is startup. So as per you can say the startup India's definition or whatever the definition you might understand, but we are not focusing on that. They may you may search on that key early stage, the company who just build a young company and all other things. But what I believe, as a the exposure I have of nearly 4 years, that startup is nothing but it's a advanced version of your, you can say, entrepreneurship. Maybe the implementation, the unique implementation of your innovation, and presenting that innovation in a form of product into the market. That is so called, you can say, the startup. Otherwise, you may have that innovated comma, definition, bookish definition, or startup India definition. But the thing is, how it works, hobby project, or maybe the Google, nowadays couple of students and all other are interested. Let's have a build a good the amount and everything. So they Google it. Unique idea to start a startup. So this is very common, my friends. When you see, you write Google good innovative idea, within 6 or 7 seconds you will have more than 1 lakh the websites, so that you can refer and you can have your own idea. So you may read and then you may thought yes, I can do this, I can do this, or I can do this. So this is all of the the options available for that. So this is what idea generation, and how it so generally idea generation cannot be done, or maybe that Google can give you the answer, but it will not work, or will not proceed for much longer period of time. So what you need to, as an innovator or as a startup ecosystem enablers, if you are faculty, if you are any institutes representing any institute organization, then rather to focus on solution, first of all, we all need to focus on problem identification. All research are failed, or maybe our idea got failed due to the lack research on problems. Innovators to earn money, to make their, you can say, presence in the marketing in a very rapid manner, what they do, they are not doing thorough research. What exactly the market is talking about, what market need is there, what products or what sort of products already available into the market, without seeing, when they see, okay, this kind of product is not available, let me start before somebody else launch, or somebody else go into the market with this such kind of offerings or valuable products. Let me start. So within that faster period of time, or that hurry, you can say, innovator always are in hurry, that they usually never thought of any other parameters or factors. If I have idea, मुझे दौड़ना है और जाना है और फटाफट कर देना है, कि दूसरा कोई ना कर ले. So this is what you can say, the idea generation can be possible through thorough problem identification and the problem definition. In what way we have understand the problem, it depends ki what sort of research, what sort of Google or the other resources you might have gone through. So for doing this kind of, right now the pandemic situation is going on, that COVID-19. So when AICT and other the incubator and all others have announced that innovators who are working on this, they may submit their the solution or idea. So they have nearly 6,500 ideas they have received. Out of that, they were in very but dilemma, in confusing dilemma, that to whom to start with, to whom to validate, which idea will work in rapid manner, because in this situation we require fastest solution so that we can stop this pandemic this situation. So they have identified with the help of few industries, few R&Ds, and few mentors like you all are the faculty members, senior faculty members, and they have selected nearly 450 ideas. Right now they are doing that validation part and all other things, whether it will work or not. So this is the different situation we never had thought of in last 100 years. This kind of situation was arised, and we have to fight like with some of the jugaad or some of the innovation. You might have heard कि ऐसा कुछ like immunity बढ़ाने के लिए ये कर सकते हैं, या in early stage of lockdown you might have heard about that कि गर्म पानी पीने से ये हो जाता है, या गर्म पानी से नहाने से नहीं होता है. This all were was, you can say, the myths that WHO has gone through it. So sometime jugaad may work, but not every time. So my mean to say, when you generate any idea, you should have multiple alternatives of idea, and that multiple idea options will be available, or will be come out with your proper research, proper problem identification. Without proper identification, you might be simply say कि yes, मेरा काम हो गया, ये आइडिया है, किसी ने नहीं किया है और मैं कर दूंगा तो मैं मेरा बड़ा स्टार्टअप हो जाएगा और मुझे मिल जाएंगे इन्वेस्टमेंट एंड एवरीथिंग. No, it's not like that. Not every time. You may have success rate of 10% only, but you should understand how it works. What are the potential feasibility, whether it is feasible or not. Like my third point, feasible, whether it is easy to build or not. Say for example, right now we are talking about ventilators and sanitizers, disinfect solutions and everything. So why other the big giant companies or MSME has not thought of earlier, and the early stage or very you can say 18-20 year student kid come up with the solution key, yes, I am having unique solution USP. But this is for shorter period of time. When it tested, then it will give you some results. It will harm your skin, it may harm your breathing the system. So these all are not validated yet. So based on this research, MSMEs and other industry have not solved or not launched such kind of the products in earlier time. But to tackle with this COVID-19, they are allowing with some do's and don'ts, and they are using it. So for longer period of time, I will give you that this is, you can say 1 to n jana. 0 to 1 agar jana hai, I will show you the video also ki how 0 to 1 if you go, then usko bolte hai vertical progress. If you are using the existing research, existing technology by building your own product, then it may be known as 1 to n jana, जिसको horizontal progress बोलते हैं. जहाँ पर you cannot have success in the longer period of time, but definitely you can earn the money by horizontal progress. But vertical progress, like Facebook has created, how Amazon has been created. So when Amazon started, they have started with books. Books means a library, library से e-store, and then they come up with, you can see right now, the Amazon A to Z पूरा सामान वहाँ पर मिलता है. So feasibility and potentiality, how much the idea is having that potential, कि up to what level, how it connect the customers, how it connect the markets. It is very important for this the idea to execute. And now the important the point is mentor association. जैसे बोलते हैं ना कि अर्ली स्टेज में आपका वेल विशर कौन है, up to what level he is going to explain you, and up to what level he is having that KSA knowledge, skill and abilities to mentor you, to coach you, to counsel you. Depends on that, your the gadi will go, you can say your car will go. in that direction you will proceed. If he may give you the wrong path, then you may learn something, but the important thing, you may lose the time, very crucial time you will lose. So selecting the mentor is also an important task. And maybe few things you may understand, that networking with industry, R&D centers, and couple of acads, that is academicians, like teachers who are having good amount of healthy experience, can guide you better whether this kind of technology will work or not, whether this principle is right or wrong. Maybe you can challenge as an innovator to academicians ki this technology is no more longer, with this solution your technology will be wide and my technology will run more and more. So these cases are very less, 1 or 2% only across world. So academics, R&D centers available, and industry peoples. Right now, all industries are positive towards supporting all innovators. They never say direct, they never deny innovators directly. They understand couple of meetings, and then they may think whether to support or not. So to taste that innovators the passion, and innovators the, you can say, the convincing power, whether how much they are convincing industry. If they are not convinced industry, so how they can convince the customers? That is the logical, you can say. So they are testing their the passion, and testing their the teams. So next we will see that the mentor, how mentor, because before starting, this is very important and very required part of it, that M stands for motivational. That person you are selecting as an innovator, you are selecting the mentors, it should be motivational somewhere. Ki they should be positive towards your each and every the idea or thought process. Bale mentor knows that this idea will fail in coming time, but at least mentor should give them a room, let him fail first, then they will listen him. बिकॉज फेल का जो फुल फॉर्म, आई थिंक डॉक्टर एपीजे अब्दुल कलाम ने जो दिया था, फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट जो बोलते हैं. सो in first attempt in learning, so that is the most important part. So as a mentor or as an innovator, you should also understand how your the mentor is motivating towards your any thought process, and how much mentor give you the room or space for exploration and nudging, like up to what level research should be done, whether mentor know the each and every aspect of your industry in which you want to propose any idea. So based on that, you may have good things. And definitely when you are working with 6 to 7 team member or 2 to 3 team members, then definitely the teamwork will be tested very soon, because one person is doing technological part, one person doing the product design, or maybe some other person is doing another things. So teamwork should be there. So mentors should inculcate, and mentors should be like that to accelerate the teamwork among your the teams. Then you can say the opening of mentees eye, that is कि कड़वाहट जो होती है, यू कैन से बीटर वर्ड्स, रियल सिचुएशन को वाकिफ कराना, मतलब उससे it doesn't like that demotivate the teams, demotivate the innovators, but definitely yes, this is working or not working, that should clearly convey to innovators. That is the opening of mentees the eye. Then realizing the potential, ki potentiality, you can say identification skill should be there into the mentors. Otherwise, whatever the hidden skill inside you as an innovator cannot be explored the outside. So you should able to explore your hidden skills. Ki if you want to become the technology lead team member, but you are good at administrator, you are good at compliance, then mentors should identify and should at least convince you to change your role from this A to B. Then maybe it will give you the essence into your the innovation. And the last is the social change. Definitely, mentor is critical. The play a vital role in enabling any innovation into the market, because when they interact with the innovators initially, they should decide. They will decide how it will change the society by providing the benefits which never will provided by the early innovators or early companies and in previous year. So this is all yesterday only when we have interacted with our Niti Ayog's the Atal Innovation Mission. Our Dr. R. Ramanathan sir has defined this the definition of mentor, how it works. So that's why I have just put it here to understand. And then this is now how it differs, because startup is nothing but to earn the money by convincing your the market or customers to accept your product, service, or goods. So you should understand what is, you can say, you know this entrepreneurship, how it's is a, you can say, art, how you sell your product. One, you can say, idea, then build some of the minimum viable product, and the important part is how you are going to sell that product. So is find its origin that entrepreneur, which means to undertake, how you undertake, and is it someone who set up business or series of, you can say, businesses with series of products, that is, you can say, product lines, and taking on financial risk in the hope of profit. So this is the basic important definition, you can say, who set up business and having some, who always searches for change, who want to make their, you can say, society or the countries or world's economy better and better. So that is Peter Drucker, the father of management, has given this, definition. So how, what are the characteristics, as if you want to become innovator, you should understand, you know, to become an entrepreneurs, because if you invent something, you cannot create your startup. That can be only patented, and you will be known as key patent holder. Mr. Tushar Panchal is having this patent and this patent. But to commercialize that ideas, to commercialize that the product service, you should have some characteristics or traits, you can say, to sell that kind of product. That's why the important key weapons for startups. I am just coming to my now the important points, that first is you should have, or you should try to have such kind of characteristics, the for to become entrepreneurs. So generally it termed ki entrepreneurs are born, not made. Sometimes it may suggested, but we as a Gujarati are bifurcated from that, because Gujarati has this all the qualities of becoming entrepreneurs. So you should leverage that the skills. If you are not having, then you should go through a couple of reading or books or research. You may try to polish your skills. Like first of all, you should have that motivational the characteristics, like you can motivate others, you can give room to others, and you can give them a driving force, clear meaning. So we are talking about this the traits. So risk tolerance is an important the tools, because when you launch your product and if you are not getting the early feedbacks good or early positive feedbacks, then you may come up with lots of hard works, and due to that the, you can say, not getting good positive feedback, you might have stress, you might be confusing, you might not good at your own works, own stuffs, you might forget few things, and all this kind of the dilemmas and symptoms come in your the routine life. So that it is known that you should have ability to adverse, or you can say tackle your risk. then only you can thought of the another way or the strategy to come out of that failure. To come out of that failure, you should have that risk, the ability, risk, the tolerance ability. Then you should have that vision that I have to build, I have to serve, I have to do some kind of the marketing, or to come up with like university or maybe incubation center having that vision to support 20 to 30 incubation or incubated startups with few fundings, say for example this. And according to innovators point of view, innovators have vision of building a good, you can say, providing, say for example, this product already been tested, then they might have thought of 5 crore revenues in upcoming 6 months or 1 year, or maybe longer period of time. You may thought of the series of product one by one, like iPhone is doing, or maybe some of the Indian products are already been implemented those things as a vision that they have need to, like Procter and Gamble is doing that Shiksha Abhiyan, in which they have taken up the initiative to teach the children, and whatever the product you buy as an individual, 1 rupee or 2 rupees from that 2% is from that is being spent on educating the poor children and other children, those who have not been benefited with this education system. Then you should have that mental ability and creativity. So this is how you should have that mentally, mentally you should be stable, that you can take the you can say rational decision in the difficult time. Because when you are the owner of any idea, you have that कि ये आइडिया मेरा है और मुझे यही करना है. मार्केट में अगर नहीं चलता फिर भी दे आर थिंकिंग नहीं नहीं ये आइडिया जो लेगा देन ओनली आई विल लॉन्च, अदरवाइज नहीं. सो दिस शुड बी टैकल्ड कि नहीं नहीं, whatever you are thinking as a hobby project or as a hobby or as a, you can say, your own baby, own, you can say, idea baby. So if it not works, then you should iterate your product as per the market requirement, market need, customer needs. Then only you can survive. Then only your creativity they will increase. Otherwise you cannot have that scope of increasing that. Sorry. Okay. Then ability to plan. Obviously, if you are mentally, stable and all other things, then your skill to plan everything. Say for example, when you want to buy anything, then you do couple of research, couple of comparative, the prices, couple of the comparison of the features and everything, and then you buy any product like laptop, like mobiles or anything. Accordingly, whenever you are going to build your product, service or any startup, you should able to plan in 3 months what I will do, later 3 months what I will do. So quarter plan should be prepared. So that will be done through your team members. So how you communicate with team members, it is also important. That is the next point, that good communication skills. You should able to scold also, you should able to pamper also. It's not like that कि just good communication skill is कि English आना चाहिए, that is only the communication skill. No, that language is one of the medium, but communication in the sense whatever जो आपको लग रहा है कि ये बात मेरी टीम को कन्वे होनी चाहिए, then only वो पता चलेगा कि ये हो रहा है कि नहीं हो रहा है. Otherwise it will happen कि you are vision or you are dreaming for good amount of money only, and not about the quality which market is required. And you just know कि market is required good quality products, but if you cannot communicate with your team members, how it will be improved? So without communicating, you cannot improve your quality. So this is one example. It contains lot many things. I'm just within this time I just need to cover a few things, so I'm just going fast. And then marketing skill, you have, like, say for example, one pen. So how many features you can explain and convince that the person to buy this pen at this the present situation. Ki wherever or whenever you are ready and you think ki I should test my the marketing skill, selling skill, you should able to at least convince the the customers or the other person as an individual to think at least about this product, whether to buy or not. If you can convince your the customer or market without showing the product, just through your idea, if you get able to convince them कि yes, अगर ऐसा होगा तो I will buy, then your half of work is already been done. That means you have that convincing skill. So you should work upon this. In today's era, this skill is very lacking, or maybe the skill is not been implemented thoroughly. So you should understand what are the marketing, you can say skills, marketing skills, when to be polite, when to hello, yeah. So interpersonal skills, what your the overall skilling part, basic management skills, and other leader, how you lead, and you should have clear objective what you want to at least achieve, and the human skills, basic human skills, how to interact with the people, how to deal, or how to think rationally about your product, service, or anything, like without you can say polluting the environment. You should build your product. But in another country where you can say environment is not the foremost, then they will think differently. Or maybe the if we talk about the different category of product, the alcohol, the consumption country and non-alcohol consumption state, maybe then their skill is very different. So according to that, you can have your characteristics for this. Hope you are all getting my points, very basic things. Okay, so this is the innovation dimension. How you can give. Form refers to where the innovation is being attempted at. Then it will cover generation or adoption of technology. So that is the you can say product, process, or service. Then market, that is the users, buyers, and your clients. Then the organization, that is the structure, how you are going to form this. Then the function, which covers quality को कैसे improve करना, how to reduce cost, that is also an art. So you may refer a couple of books on cost and that accounting, the books and the ready material, and to add new function, new features into your the existing the products. Then you can say refer to improving current market attractiveness of the product, like changing your the product wrapper, product packaging with some 10% extra, 50% the discount, buy two get one free. This all become attractiveness, how you can improve. Or maybe some qualitative product, like in car you might have heard about the ZXi, VXi, LXi, and the basic models and all. So based on the features and functions, you might have to pay more or less depending upon your choice. So you should be, as an innovator, you should be ready with all of your features, at least to thought of, not the ready product. But if somebody come up with this, okay, I need only basic things, can you build? So you cannot say no, because you should create the different market for this basic version. You should create your the market for the higher end products also, with all the features, full loaded features, you can say. Then the extent, that refers to like scale and coverage of innovation, whether it is incremental, धीरे धीरे बढ़ रहा है, revolutionary है, or maybe existing versus no product or service. So when you are talking about the existing है और मैं उस पे आगे जा रहा हूँ, so definitely this revolutionary change cannot be possible, but you can build your product. How in India, when Nokia mobile is there connecting people, so nobody thought of to build the Nokia, and it is very difficult. Also, you might have heard about the BlackBerry mobile, that QWERTY keypad mobile. So that CEO always told each and every, or in public speaking, like nobody will beat our the market. But when touchpad, this touchscreen phone mobile market boom. So, and still he was not agree to launch touchscreen phone. He has just launched the half touchscreen and then QWERTY, but still it doesn't work. And right now you can see the market share is less than 3 or 4% only in overall, the world, the mobile sector. So according to, the market situation, customer demands, you should, behave. Otherwise, it will give you, the very bad, the result. And definitely the timing when the innovation is being, implemented. Say for example, if for before 5 years, if I talk about the drones or the medicine delivery by drone or the surveillance by drone, then it may be like हंसेंगे कोई हम पे कि यार क्या बात कर रहे हो, मतलब already CCTV already, set system is already there, and if you are making some, this kind of things, then definitely that will not work. So at the right time, when the, the competition is high or the problem is arising up to, certain level, saturation pe hai, and then if you target or if you want to launch your product, then it will work. Otherwise, the second option can be the first to market हो सकता है. So first to market is always, fail, because when you are launching, then nobody generally in 1980s when, this size, the phone, wireless phone has been launched, so nobody, want to buy कि यार इसमें क्या होगा, गिर गया, टूट गया. But still, innovators cannot think like that. You should launch. That is, you can become, first to market, then quick second, quick third, and late followers maybe by creating your market competitors. And whenever you launch, you cannot launch with full loaded feature, the, you can say, product. You can add basic plus some features, launch it, taste the market, let competitors think on that कि इसमें और क्या क्या मैं बना सकता हूँ, whether to copy, whether not to copy, whether similar products can be built. And if they are building such kind of similar or such products, based on that, to beat that competition, you can think to launch your full feature or fully loaded feature product. Then they will, be like, behind your, the market share. Say for example, very simple example of Divya Bhaskar, the newspaper, when it was launched, that at the time of launching, nobody will give you, nobody was, nobody other, the newspaper was, give you the color pages. So the Bhaskar has studied thoroughly, surveyed, important things, and just have a, not actually the problem, but the attractiveness or readers, the numbers जो बढ़ाने थे newspaper industries में, to increase that number, increase the customer segment. What are the important parameters to be added? Then they come up with color pages. Color pages with quality. कि पेपर में जब कार्बन पहले लगता था हाथ में, जो हम पढ़ते थे तो काला काला हो जाता था in our hands. So that quality should be improved. So Dio Bhaskar has launched only one or two things. And third, just see in the market कि नहीं अभी कोई अभी काम नहीं कर रहा है और करेगा और आएगा. So we may be in a collapse because गुजरात समाचार और अदर जो भी थे पहले से वो ऑलरेडी लीडर थे. लीडर को बीट करना उतना आसान नहीं होता है because they have built their market. To beat them, strategy should be followed. So what strategy they have followed? कि 4 to 5 parameters they have thought and 2 to 3 only launched with color page improvement, पेपर साइज, ऊपर कलरिंग में कुछ अच्छा सिंबल गुजरात का है तो कुछ ना कुछ जामा मस्जिद हो गया या कुछ ना कुछ जो हमारे हिस्टोरिकल प्लेसेस थे उसके कुछ कुछ फोटोग्राफ्स. With this 2-3 parameters they have launched, and then what suddenly happens कि जो बोलते हैं ना गुप्त इंफॉर्मेशन से उनको पता चला कि भाई अभी और दूसरे लोग भी कलर पेज में आना शुरू कर रहे हैं. So what they have thought कि before they launch their color page product, they have Dio Bhaskar has launched their gift वाला, the promotion कि जो भी खरीदेगा उसमें ड्रॉ होगा और उसको इनाम मिलेगा. So जब इन लोगों ने कलर पेज लॉन्च किया तब ये लोग Dio Bhaskar और एक आगे होंगे. So this is the timing कि at what time. So that is what you should understand your competitors well also. Without understanding your competitor train कि how it works, it cannot be. आपने देखा होगा कि डिस्कवरी पे सब जगह पे भी लॉकडाउन है तो ये सारे चैनल्स दिखते रहते हैं तो वहाँ शेर जब शिकार करता है तो हिरन सीधा पड़ता है, जो चीता होता है वो ऐसे काउ शेप में भागता है. To understand that strategy कि अब ये ऐसे ही जाएगा, अब ऐसे वैसे जाएगा. So to beat that to hunt that the market, you should understand like that and predict that the movement of going there. So that is what the innovation dimension. And how you become the entrepreneur, this is what the basic things. So when you generally you might have heard about the जुगाड़ thing. So जुगाड़ पे बहुत सारी बुक्स भी है, बहुत सारे वीडियोस भी मिलेंगे कि what is जुगाड़ and everything. So when you are having daily problems, routine problems, and you are come up with some of the basic technology by which you can solve your the ongoing problems. So that is, you can say, the जुगाड़. But to convert that जुगाड़ into some of the the improvement and the, you can say, the through blogs or maybe some social the responses की यार वो like होना शुरू हो जाए, जैसे टिकटॉक वो एक क्रिएट ऑलरेडी था ना, उसमें कुछ नया नहीं था. जो आईटी के पीपल है, कंप्यूटर साइंस के, दे नोज वेरी वेल कि हाउ टू एडिट एंड हाउ टू डू दिस काइंड ऑफ थिंग्स, बट नोबडी हैज डन. एंड दे थॉट कि people are loving themselves, or maybe the platform where they can know themselves, वैसा कोई प्लेटफॉर्म अगर मैं बनाता हूँ, then that made work. So what they have done, creativity start हुई कि चलो सबकी क्रिएटिविटी बाहर लाने के लिए हम this will work. इनोवेशन क्या हुआ, उन्होंने टिकटॉक लॉन्च कर दिया. अब टिकटॉक जैसे फ्री एप्लीकेशन से ये लोग कमाते हैं, फेसबुक है, गूगल है, व्हाट्सएप है, so ऐसे ही they are using your data, our data, and selling the data to other for marketing campaigns, and from that they are earning. So that is the entrepreneurs. So this is three things, and how it work, what product, and the extent of innovation. So this is incremental. If an existing market product, then the marginal you can say the possibility, and revolutionary when existing hai and you're doing this with the same modified product. But if you are doing the very unique kind of product which is not available, then it may be evolutionary. And in revolutionary, that is radical if you are doing that at par product with important features, value offerings, and you can say add-on things, valuable things, so that people or customer will pay you for that. So this is just I'm giving you a glimpse. Okay, so now the important things, business model canvas. So up till we have understand this creativity, innovation, basic things, innovation dimension, entrepreneurship, and this mentors and this all things. Now, before going this, let me give you the one video you can at least understand of 3 to 4 minutes, maybe 0 to 1. That video. So Peter Thiel has given one session, and during session one student or one participant has narrated all the points and created that one book that is known as 0 to 1. That Black Master has created that notes, and with the help of Peter Thiel they have done this. So Harshal bhai, so this is the book I will share with Harshal sir, the PDF book, and Harshal sir, if you can share it to all the participants, those who are interested to business model canvas. So this is very again the important things to understand. After understanding creativity, innovation, entrepreneurship, now we are moving towards the micro part or micro things, like how to develop any business model. What are the ways to create your at least some kind of feasible business model, so that whatever you are thinking, whatever the idea you want to implement, can be reached to customer, reach to market. So it will the 9 quadrant the business model canvas, which start with the 7 number, that is the customer segments, which customer segment you want to operate. It will then decide by the customers that which sort of value proposition you will provide them. That four number, that is 7 is to 4. From 4, you need to decide channels by which your value proposition and your the products will reach to customers. Then the fifth number, you can say customer relationships, what type of customers, personal or through agents, distribution channels, or websites. So this is the right part of your screen. You can say 4, 5, 6, 7, and it is dependent on your left part, that is the 1, 2, 3. So based on your key activities and resources, second and third number, you can execute your idea and to build your minimum viable product. अब minimum viable product कैसे होता है कि कुछ आइडिया है, उसमें से जो प्रोटोटाइप जैसा कुछ बनाते हैं वर्किंग, जिसे स्कूल में छोटे छोटे प्रोजेक्ट करते हैं ना, वैसा प्रोजेक्ट जैसा. सो प्रोजेक्ट कैन बी, यू कैन से स्मॉल कार्डबोर्ड से बना हो, थर्मोकोल से बना हो, to understand, to have one appeal of the product, how it look like. If it works with the dimension and all other thing, then the academic, the principles and जो भी इक्वेशन लगाने वो लगा के आप सोच सकते हो, आप पिच कर सकते हो किसी इंडस्ट्री के सामने जो सिमिलर काइंड ऑफ प्रोडक्ट और सिमिलर इंडस्ट्री में है, जिसके पास थोड़ा बहुत एक्सपीरियंस है, या अपने फैकल्टी मेंबर या मेंटर्स को आप दिखा के उस चीज को आगे ले जा सकते हैं. एंड फॉर दैट यू नीड टू प्रिपेयर योर रिसोर्सेज कि मेरे पास मुझे जो बनाना है उसमें क्या क्या चीजें चाहिए. रॉ मटेरियल हो सकता है, इक्विपमेंट्स हो सकता है, प्रोसेसिंग यूनिट्स हो सकते हैं, कहाँ टेस्टिंग करवाना पड़ेगा, क्या पैकेजिंग करनी पड़ेगी, कैसे मैं करूंगा. सो दिस ऑल आर कम्स अंडर रिसोर्सेज. और रिसोर्सेज रेडी लिस्ट होने के बाद व्हाट यू नीड टू डू, योर की एक्टिविटी. सबसे पहले मैं क्या करूंगा, सेकंड क्या करूंगा, थर्ड क्या करूंगा. So you should know your key activities to complete your minimum viable product, to build your MVP. That is so called in startup jargon में MVP बोलते हैं, minimum viable product. And from that you can build actual prototype from, you can say, the original the components, so that you can see the glitches or maybe the the any issues and challenges still pertaining into that workable prototype. So वहां से आपकी एक्टिविटी और रिसोर्सेज से you can build your working prototype kind of thing, so that you can show it to promising customers, promising market. And based on that you will create the 8 number, that is the cost structure. जो भी एक्टिविटी किया, रिसोर्सेज लिस्ट बना, so उसकी कुछ कॉस्ट होगी, कुछ इक्विपमेंट है जो 50,000 के है, 5,000 के है, 500 रुपए के है. सो ऐसे पूरा आपका कॉस्टिंग बनेगा. 8 से सीधा आप जाओगे 1 नंबर पे, जहां पर की पार्टनरशिप करोगे. क्योंकि कॉस्ट स्ट्रक्चर आने के बाद आपको लगेगा कि ऑलरेडी मार्केट में अगर मैं प्रोडक्ट कोई बना रहा हूँ, से फॉर एग्जांपल कि मान लो कि मैं एक ऐसा प्रोडक्ट बना रहा हूँ जो टेम्परेचर मेजर करता हो, या ऐसा कुछ जैसे अभी थर्मल स्क्रीनिंग कहा रहा है कि वो एक सबको चाहिए जिसका प्राइस रातों रात बढ़ गया. तो अब कोई बनाना चाहता है कि भाई एज ए मैं वेल विशर ऑफ दिस सोसाइटी, मुझे भी कुछ करना चाहिए कि मैं भी बनाऊं. तो उसमें कुछ सेंसर्स लगते हैं, टेम्परेचर मेजरमेंट का सेंसर लगता है, ऊपर केस लगता है, केस मतलब बॉडी लगती है, प्लास्टिक बॉडी और व्हाटएवर. सो वो सबका लिस्ट बनाने के बाद आपको लगेगा कि उसकी मैं खुद अगर हर बार बनाने बैठूंगा तो वो कॉस्ट ज्यादा आ रही है. सो फॉर दैट यू कैन कनेक्ट विथ की पार्टनर्स लाइक suppliers who can supply you the plastic bodies. और प्लास्टिक बॉडी बनाने के लिए पहले क्या होता है, प्लास्टिक बॉल्स आते हैं, छोटे छोटे पार्टिकल्स. तो वो कौन दे सकता है, उसको मेल्ट करके फिर डाई जो होती है उस डाई में डिजाइन बनता है. सो वो डाइज एंड डिजाइन करने के लिए कैसे हो सकता है, कौन अवेलेबल पार्टीज है. एंड यू कैन से कपल ऑफ पार्टनर्स लाइक सोशल मीडिया में कौन मुझे हेल्प कर सकता है, सो दैट मैं मेरे स्टार्टअप की मार्केट प्रेजेंस अच्छे से बढ़ा सकूं. जैसे फेसबुक ने चालू नहीं किया तो 2-3 साल या 5 साल पहले कि फेसबुक पे भी मार्केट प्लेस हो सकता है. नाउ यू कैन सी फेसबुक इज ऑल्सो गिविंग यू दैट मार्केट प्लेस, जहां पर आप अपना सामान, आप अपनी चीजें वहां पर रख सकते हो और अच्छी फीडबैक और अच्छे आ सकते हैं. जैसे OLX है, जैसे फ्लिपकार्ट है, वैसे ही सेम फ्लिपकार्ट है स्टार्टेड कि वहां पर यू कैन पेस्ट योर पुट योर प्रोडक्ट, दे विल अप्रूव, देन इट विल बी शोड टू ऑल द योर फ्रेंड्स एंड फ्रेंड्स ऑफ फ्रेंड्स. then they will try to interact with you कि इसकी क्या कीमत है, minimum कितनी quantity लेनी पड़ेगी, and so on. So this is in my the language. Now I will give you again show you the video, small video of business model, जहाँ से पूरा exactly आपको पता चलेगा कि how it works and why it is important. So let's. ठीक है. So this is the basic the understanding कि whatever you have any guesses towards the the any quadrant, like towards any quadrant you may guess anything as per your wish कि भाई कस्टमर वैल्यू प्रोपोजिशन में मैं क्या दे सकता हूँ. वैल्यू प्रोपोजिशन कैन बी द गुड क्वालिटी हो सकता है या एट लोअर कॉस्ट हो सकता है. जैसे हमारे पास एक स्टार्टअप है मोबाइल रिपेयर. सो मोबाइल रिपेयर में वो यूनिक सर्विस में ऐसा क्लेम करता है कि विद इन 2 आवर्स, मिनिमम 2 आवर्स से लेके 24 आवर्स में आई कैन गिव यू दी रिपेयर्ड फोन आपका जो अगर बिगड़ गया, बिकॉज फोन इज वेरी अटमोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट थिंग इन टूडेज एरा. सो वैल्यू प्रोपोजिशन वो ये बता रहा है कि माइन इज आई जस्ट गिव यू द फोन विद इन मिनिमम 2 आवर्स से लेके 12 घंटे में आई कैन डिलीवर द फोन आफ्टर रिपेयर. एंड सो दैट उसने क्या किया है दैट फर्स्ट नंबर की पार्टनर्स जो लोग ऑलरेडी बहुत अच्छे से कुछ काम कर रहे हैं उनको वो ट्रेनिंग देके उनको सर्टिफाई करवा के उनको अपने प्लेटफॉर्म पे लेते हैं. सो दैट मैं बैठा हूँ नवरंगपुरा में काम कर रहा हूँ और मुझे कोई ऑर्डर मिलता है जो घाटलोडिया में है तो मैं जा सकता हूँ या वहां पर नियर बाय कोई डिजाइनर है जैसे कि ओला, सॉरी स्विगी, जोमेटो चलते हैं कि कोई ऑर्डर देता है तो नियर बाय जहां पर भी जो रेस्टोरेंट होता है उसका चैनल होता है वहीं से वो प्रोडक्ट आपको मिलता है और उसकी वजह से आपको विद इन कपल ऑफ मिनट्स लाइक 15 मिनट, 30 मिनट, 45 मिनट में दैट प्रोडक्ट इज डिलीवर्ड टू यू. सो अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट जो भी आपके दिमाग में आता है गेसेस, यू कैन से हाइपोथेसिस, you can paste in each quadrant towards your idea if you are doing. Okay, so this is what the all about the business model canvas, and I request all you should at least do your 5 to 6 the business model canvas for single idea, and for every idea or for every business model canvas when you develop it will give you more and more the couple of things, value proposition, maybe customer segments, and so many things for your your idea. Then it will be tested, or maybe you can combine all 5 to 6 business model canvas which you have created for single idea, and you will have that the business model canvas BMC. So in video rightly they have said in last couple of seconds when that person is cutting that BMC, he suggests that you cannot copy this the business model for your own idea because it never look कि आप इसमें से कुछ काट कुट करके आप अपने ideas के लिए it may work but not for each and every idea. So that he is suggesting that कि you should develop your own the business model canvases, and it will before this video I will show you the basic video in which he is suggesting that you should have to develop couple of series of BMC day by day, every day, or maybe in a month at least 30-40 BMC will give you the exact the BMC. and you can validate it also from your own faculty members or maybe some of your senior colleagues, junior colleagues, and everyone. So yeah, you can, you know, you cannot rely only on the expert only. You may talk to a couple of customers also. If I want to provide you this kind of offerings and at this cost, are you going to buy this or not? So customers, the rapidly, you can say quickly, they will give you the reactions in any. I cannot, the buy at this cost. If you reduce this cost up to this level, or maybe cost will be fine, but quality should be improved, then only will buy this product. Then this sort of feedback will help you to revise your BMC every time. So try to, and in today's era, in the lockdown kind of situation, or maybe in every time whenever without the lockdown also, you cannot reach to the maximum people. So I suggest you can create the social blogs where you can have your idea to be pasted. If I want to give you the products with this cost, with this quality, with this features, can you give us your the readiness towards your this product, then this will help me to build the final the audience from market customers will reply to that, and according to that you may decide up to what percentage of the participant are ready to buy this product at this price, and up to how many participant has suggested to reduce the price, and how many participants had suggested to focus on quality, not rather than the price. So according to this, you can revise your BMC. Now, when you have this business model with your products and everything, so couple of things you should understand as a weapon. Like this is the again the example. If time is there, 10:40. At least if time permits, then we'll come back to this. How Uber has started with riders, drivers, and channels. Mein Uber's have value proposition, easiest way around anywhere, anytime. You all are knowing these things. So I have just copied from Google only. This you may find for LinkedIn, Skype, Ola, Facebook. These all business model canvas is already been available on Google. You may copy it. So it is nothing but describe the rational. You can say rational how an organization creates, delivers, and capture value that market presence. So you can build your own BMC. So how to taste your product or idea. So it is component of feasibility like प्रोडक्ट सर्विस एक्सेप्टेंस एनालिसिस वेदर दे विल बाय और नॉट, मार्केट एनालिसिस मार्केट में क्या ट्रेंड चल रहा है. जैसे ऑटोमोबाइल में कोई भी नया कंपनी अगर नया लॉन्च होता है तो इजीली एक्सेप्ट हो जाता है बिकॉज पीपल आर वेरी यू कैन से फैसिलिटेटेड एंड कंफर्टेबिलिटी के पीछे भागते हैं आजकल. सो एमजी हेक्टर आया या किया मोटर्स, किया ने लॉन्च किया, दे ऑल आर बुकिंग चल रहा था बिफोर लॉकडाउन. सो यू शुड अंडरस्टैंड कि in which market you are entering. According to that, you should do the analysis. And financial viability key, up to what level financial will be available and all other things. Then technical analysis key, up to what level your technology is difficult to copy or easy to copy, so that you should understand when you launch, then other players will be ready to copy your product, similar products, and maybe you will be out of the market because you are early stage innovator. You might not have that much money to cater to supply that kind of product, but other industry already been established in the market, they may copy. And that's why one important concept of patent, you can do the patent also of your product if that product is the patentable. So all incubation center are doing this kind of the activity where you may understand what IPR is, that intellectual property right, how to patent, and there are a couple of policy also by which you can do your patent of your own idea also. So this is what simple the business idea. Then you should understand your SWOT of your own, of your team, and of your idea. These three things yaad rakhna. For SWOT of your own, definitely you can own, you can understand, you can explore yourself ki up to what level apne strength kaun si hai. I'm good at orator, I'm good at you can say coding, I'm good at teacher, I'm good at explaining, I'm good at cooking, I'm good at swimming. These all are your strength. opportunity may be ki if I work upon my weakness, if I am having some weakness of the you can say cooking, say for example I'm not good at cook, or maybe some the quality cooking is not there. So if I learn something, if I know from YouTube or anything, then I may convert that weakness into opportunity, and by opportunity I will focus, or you can say I will try on doing that couple of things repeatedly, and I will convert that into strength also. And threat may be if you are not knowing, say for example, the earlier advanced technology, or whatever the technology right now you are using, the senior people might have this kind of things. Since 20-30 year, if they are using some the feature or a product, then the advanced product may be difficult for them to use. So this is for individual level. Now for team or company, you can say कि what are these trends, so things your companies does well, कि आपकी कंपनी सबसे ज्यादा क्या अच्छा कर सकती है, वो आपको लिस्ट डाउन करना होता है. Then qualities that separate you from your competitors, कि which things the unique things or qualities you are providing जो आप अदर लोग नहीं दे रहे, तो वो आपको दिखना चाहिए. जैसे कि जोमेटो हैज दैट टी शर्ट पहन के ही आते हैं, तो बोले वो अलग डिफरेंशिएट करते हैं कॉम्पिटिटर से. फिर वो बैग आ गया पीछे. फिर ओला उबेर जब स्टार्ट हुआ था, तो दे आर नॉट हैविंग you can say that stickers and all other things. So now their bikes and cars are having that stickers on it कि we are separating ourselves कि हम ओला है या उबेर है. And internal resources like skill and knowledgeable staff. Sometimes we have 30-40 staff member when we are searching for, or we are providing some consultancy services to other companies. But when we talk to our own employees, we want कि one person can do some website handling or anything, can anybody. So भले ही वो non tech हो, कई बार that passion की वजह से that employee should have that knowledge of handling the website, should have that capacity to code and manage that the web traffic also. So you may explore within your the team within your company that will give you the more skillful and knowledgeable person within your organization also. Then tangible assets like IPR कितना है, capital और technology कितनी आप में है, that you may work upon that thing. So this can be जैसे IP है, so आपके पास strength ये है कि आपकी product कोई copy नहीं करेगा. अगर copy करेगा तो you can case them, you can sue them, so that you can be safeguard. But the situation of Indian courts or Indian को कितने साल चलता है, case कब solve होगा, maybe the myth or maybe the truth. So you can figure it out. Weakness can be कि things your company lacks, कि अभी क्या कर रहे हैं company lacks. जैसे ओला उबेर में कुछ केसेस हुए थे दिल्ली में, रेप केसेस. सो वो वीकनेस था कि ड्राइवर को प्रिडिक्ट कैसे करें, अच्छे ड्राइवर को ही पिकअप मतलब ऑनबोर्ड करना, वो एक उनके लिए बहुत बड़ा वीकनेस अभी भी है. अभी भी पता नहीं चलता बिकॉज ऑफ द ह्यूमन बीइंग, कि कब ह्यूमन बीइंग क्या रिएक्ट करता है, बिहेव करता है. सो दैट इज ऑल्सो दे आर वर्किंग ऑन थ्रू AI AML, जो आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस एंड मशीन लर्निंग सिस्टम है, जो ड्राइविंग जो करते हैं ट्रेनिंग होता है वहीं पर कहीं लगाएंगे. सो दैट व्हेन उसके मल्टीपल फीचर्स है, जैसे कभी भी स्नीज हो जाता है, नींद आ जाती है किसी को, सो दैट विल अलार्म यू. एंड ऑल्सो द रिएक्शन और द एटीट्यूड बिहेवियर कैन बी प्रिडिक्ट, कि अगर कोई पैसेंजर है वो थ्रेट में है, विद दैट आईज ही विल गेट दैट मैसेज कि प्लीज ask driver to stop your car nearest shop or anything. So that can be at least save that people by doing crime or by doing some any misbehave activities. So before that they are working on that. Then things your competitors do better than you, जो आपसे बहुत ज्यादा करता है, जैसे मैकडोनल्ड का पिज्जा है, डोमिनोज है, ये सब है. बट कोई डोमिनोज है बोलते हैं कि 30 minute the 30-minute pizza can be delivered but others cannot. So this can be the weakness for that available William Jones and all other things. Or maybe there are other food restaurant chains जहाँ पर आप ये comparison देख सकते हो, जहाँ competitors बहुत अच्छा करते हैं, फिर भी कमाते दोनों हैं. They both are earning money. Then unclear unique selling proposition, कि आपका खुद का USP अभी clear ना हो, कि भाई actually where I am this strong. which things I can that our company or startup idea can do better than the competitors. So वो भी एक clear हो जाना चाहिए. Then opportunity can be undeserved. मार्केट को आप टैप कर सकते हो जल्दी से जहां पर नहीं मार्केट हो, जहां नहीं बना है, जैसे रूरल मार्केट अभी भी अनटैप्ड है फॉर एनीवन कि और मे बी कोई आइडिया जर्मनी में चल रहा है, इंडिया में नहीं चल रहा, दैट कैन बी दी अर्ली एडवांटेजेस कि आप उसको उसी टेक्नोलॉजी में थोड़ा बहुत चेंज करके मॉडिफाई करके यू कैन आल्सो लॉन्च इफ इट इज नॉन पेटेंटेबल. अगर पेटेंटेबल है उनको पता चलेगा तो दे मे शो यू आल्सो. सो वो थोड़ा सिंपल होता है जहाँ यू कैन मॉडिफाई योर the way of executing your idea into the product, and you may tap this kind of undeserved, you can say, the market. Few competitors in your area, बहुत कम competitor होते हैं वहां पर you can start. जैसे अभी की अपॉर्चुनिटी में देखे कोविड में सैनिटाइजर टनल बनाना जो होता था, वो हर जगह पे, हर सोसाइटी में या हर सिटी में एटलीस्ट 20-25 लोग वो सैनिटाइज टनल बनाना शुरू कर दिया है, बिकॉज इट्स वेरी इजी. पाइप, एल्यूमिनियम पाइप, कवर, वो पंप एक आता है जहाँ से जैसे प्रेशर से वो पानी फेंकता है, और नोजल जहाँ से वो स्प्रिंकल करता है. सो एवरीबडी इज डूइंग बिकॉज टू tackle with this opportunity, let us do that and on something. An emerging need for your product or service कुछ और भी हो सकता है जहाँ you may add value to your product and service. जो रिसर्च करते रहते हैं सब लोग प्रोडक्ट पे, कंपनी प्रोडक्ट्स पे रिसर्च करते करते they may give you the refined product. इसीलिए आपको iPhone 11 या 11 Pro या Samsung में 11 Pro या ऐसे कोई Note Pro अलग अलग फीचर्स मिलते हैं, because they generally keep on doing such the research and taking the feedback from the customers. And maybe press media coverage of your company is give you the opportunity, more opportunity. So you may threat maybe the emerging competitors कि अगर आप चल रहे हो सेम प्रोडक्ट के साथ बहुत सालों से, सो कोई ना कोई मे भी रिसर्च कर रहा है और सिमिलर प्रोडक्ट लेके लॉन्च हो सकता है. सो यू मे अंडरस्टैंड. उसके लिए मैं आई विल गिव यू द नेक्स्ट दिस स्लाइड कि उसको कैसे टैकल करते. देन चेंजिंग रेगुलेटरी एनवायरनमेंट, वो एक बहुत बड़ा थ्रेट होता है. जैसे फॉरेन डायरेक्ट इन्वेस्टमेंट की बात हो या कुछ जीएसटी आ गया, वेट था पहले, टैक्स बदल गए, तो ये सब रेगुलेटरी एनवायरनमेंट एक थ्रेट होता है. उसका कोई तोड़ नहीं है, बट फिर भी यू कैन डू योर रेगुलर कंप्लायंस, सो आपका बर्डन वो कम करता जाएगा. देन नेगेटिव प्रेस मीडिया कवरेज कई बार आ जाते हैं रिगार्डिंग, जैसे मैगी पे आया था, तो मैगी जितनी भी अदर कंपनी बना रही थी मैगी काइंड ऑफ नूडल्स, उन सबको ये प्रॉब्लम आया. तो उसको कैसे ओवरकम किया उन्होंने, यू शुड अंडरस्टैंड, यू शुड स्टडी दैट केस स्टडी. एंड आल्सो अनदर केस स्टडी यू कैन से हाउ हिमालय एंड पतंजलि has beat the Johnson and Johnson in India. The market share of Johnson and Johnson is higher than before 10 years, higher than the local markets. But Himalaya or Patanjali, how they have overcome with the help of the trades for Johnson and Johnson, उनको convert किया अपनी strength में, and they have launched their the products, and how this Patanjali became the huge and Himalaya became the huge. ठीक है. And changing customer attitude towards your company जब ये हो जाता है कि उसकी प्रोडक्ट नहीं लेने की, जैसे मार्केट में ट्रोल चलता है कि ये प्रोडक्ट इसको बहिष्कार करेंगे, उसको ये करेंगे, ये प्रोडक्ट नहीं लेंगे, ये सारे आपके आइडियाज पे भी आगे जाके मे भी हो सकता है. सो यू कैन प्रेडिक्ट दैट कस्टमर एटीट्यूड्स कि अभी मेरे पास मार्केट से 1 लाख कस्टमर का है, तो उसमें से आप मान के ही चलो कि ओनली 80,000 आर लॉयल एंड 20,000 मे बी शिफ्ट टू अनदर इन अपकमिंग टाइम. सो दिस कैन बी थ्रेट्स. सो this motor 5 forces the model, like threat of entry, supplier power, buyer power, and substitution. So this is very important to understand for any early stage innovator. This is one of the important tool to understand, to tackle. Like when you launch, you should focus on 2 things first: buyer power and supplier power horizontally. Because when you launch, so the product of any cost, so it should be well established or well understood that what is the purchasing power of your buyer towards this product. Say for example, if I launch the toothbrush at the cost of 5,000 rupees, then who will going to buy? If the person who is earning so many you can say, or having that money, then also he will also think कि 5,000 का brush, मतलब what I will do for that at 5,000 cost. So buyer power should be understood both in both way. कि up to what level he can afford. Afford not means कि उसकी खुद की मतलब capacity, but affordability is in terms of your products, the or maybe the other competitors जो प्रोडक्ट बेच रहे हैं उसकी प्राइसिंग क्या है, नियर बाई ही आपको थोड़ा बहुत देना चाहिए. यू कैन बिकम मर्सिडीज लेटर ऑन, बट इन इनिशियल टाइम यू शुड बिकम Hyundai मारुति से ही शुरू करना पड़े, लाइक दैट. दिस इज सिंपल एग्जांपल. Then supplier power includes, you can say, how much number of suppliers already there into the market, or maybe you need to create more and more, or maybe the size of the suppliers के कितने sizes है, उनके पास warehouse कितने, आपकी product का stock कितना रख सकते हैं, वो सब depend करता है. And then uniqueness of service कि वो क्या unique service देते हैं, provide करते हैं. So that is also you can understand. Then your ability to substitute, कि अगर एक सप्लायर है और आपकी एबिलिटी सच में आपका पावर है कि यू कैन रिप्लेस दी सप्लायर, और सप्लायर इज हैविंग पावर टू रिप्लेस योर प्रोडक्ट, रिप्लेस यू. जैसे मार्केट कंपनी जो कोई स्टोर में या मॉल में जो प्रोडक्ट रखी जाती है, जो सप्लायर दे के देने जाता है, सो वो डिपेंड करता है कि वो सप्लायर कौन सी चीज का स्टॉक दिखाता है और कौन सी चीज का स्टॉक बोलता है कि नहीं है मेरे पास, तो आज ये ले लो, वो एक सप्लायर पावर हो जाता है. सो फॉर दैट यू शुड अंडरस्टैंड कि जो डायरेक्शन की जो डोर होती है वो किसके हाथ में, सप्लायर के हाथ में है कि आपके हाथ में. आप जब चाहे तब सप्लायर बदल सकते हो, या सप्लायर जब चाहे तब आपकी प्रोडक्ट को रोक सकता है और आगे ले जा सकता है. सो ये आपको पहले से समझना चाहिए. उसकी स्ट्रेटेजी अलग होती है कि उस पे कैसे होता है. जस्ट गिविंग यू जस्ट वन द टूल. एंड नाउ द वर्टिकल, डेफिनेटली थ्रेट ऑफ एंट्री कि प्रोडक्ट आने के बाद क्या होगा, और थ्रेट ऑफ सब्सटीट्यूशन मतलब मेरी प्रोडक्ट का सब्सटीट्यूट क्या हो सकता है फ्रॉम कस्टमर और फ्रॉम कॉम्पिटिटर, कि मेरी प्रोडक्ट अगर मैं जो बेच रहा हूँ उसका सब्सटीट्यूट क्या आ सकता है. सो थ्रेट ऑफ एंट्री में टाइम एंड कॉस्ट ऑफ एंट्री, कि आप कितने टाइम से हो, बहुत टाइम से आप अच्छा प्रोडक्ट नहीं दे पा रहे हो, या फीडबैक बहुत बुरी आ रही है, आप उसको सॉल्व नहीं कर पा रहे हो, और उसी टाइम पे कोई नया आ गया with that solution of those problems which you have not tackled, then maybe you will be out of the market. Then specialist knowledge के साथ अगर कोई आ जाता है कि कोई बायो रिलेटेड प्रोडक्ट है, एज ए इंजीनियर कोई बना रहा है, और कोई बायोमेडिकल कंपनी का बंदा आके बना के कोई प्रोडक्ट बना के, इफ दे आर प्रोवाइडिंग यू सैनिटाइजर टनल, देन मे बी कस्टमर विल एग्री टू दैट कि भाई वो तो और पहले से सर्टिफाइड बायोटेक डॉक्टर है या R&D है, तो हमें उससे ही लेना चाहिए, ना कि कोई इंजीनियर जो अभी सिर्फ पढ़ के गूगल करके कुछ बना के लेके आए. सो दिस इज द थ्रेट ऑफ एंट्री यू शुड अंडरस्टैंड. देन मे बी सब्स्टिट्यूट्स में कॉस्ट ऑफ चेंज हो सकता है कि आपकी जो प्रोडक्ट खरीद रहे और दूसरी प्रोडक्ट में बहुत ज्यादा डिफरेंस नहीं होगा. सो डेफिनेटली दे विल चेंज अगर आपकी प्रोडक्ट मार्केट में जब नहीं मिलेगी. सो दीज ऑल सिंपल यू कैन से थिंग्स. और इससे जो कॉम्पिटिटिव राइवलरी बनती है, वहां से एक क्वालिटी डिफरेंस बनता है. स्विचिंग कॉस्ट क्या होगा मेरा एज ए कस्टमर की लॉयल्टी कितनी है टुवर्ड्स योर प्रोडक्ट, और नंबर ऑफ कॉम्पिटिटर्स टोटल ऑलरेडी मार्केट में कितने हैं. सो ये आपको अंडरस्टैंड करना पड़ेगा व्हेन यू आर एट द एज ऑफ, और you are at the end about to launch your the final the product into the market. जब ये हो जाता है तो you should understand. So now when you launch, then you should understand in which quadrant I am. This is BCG matrix. Boston Consulting the group has invented this the matrix. So market share, if your market share is very low and your market growth is also the low, then low market share and growth considered divestment. That means in which whatever the business you are, if you are in this quadrant, then you should understand up to certain period of time you can watch like dog, बैठ के देख सकते हो, and then you should divest कर सकते हो कि अब नहीं चलेगा. अगर मार्केट ग्रोथ रेट हो रहा है बट मार्केट शेयर नहीं है आपका, देन यू कैन थिंक कि इफ आई कैन स्टार्ट अगेन, कि चलो थोड़ा जो बोलते हैं ना हारे जुगारी वधारे रवे, लाइक दैट, कि भले मैं हारा हूँ बट अभी एक होप बाकी है, मैं कुछ और करूँ, कुछ और मैं ऐड करूँ, कुछ एडिशनल करूँ। सो डाइवर्स करने की जगह पे वो वर्टिकल ऊपर जाएगा न्यू वेंचर्स में, बिकॉज मार्केट ग्रोथ रेट हाई है, सिर्फ मार्केट शेयर मेरा नहीं बढ़ रहा है, वो लो है। सो वो क्वेश्चन मार्क पे आ जाएगा। वहां पर आपको सिर्फ सोचना है आइडिया पे क्वेश्चन मार्क के साथ कि वेदर इट इज रिस्की और मे बी आई कैन बिकम स्टार। स्टार इन द सेंस वहां पर ग्रोथ भी है और मार्केट शेयर भी मेरा हो सकता है। सो वो स्टार बनता है। स्टार मतलब यही होता है कि आपका मार्केट शेयर भी एक्सपांड हो रहा है बहुत मस्त जोरों से और आपका मार्केट ग्रोथ भी बहुत अच्छे से हो रहा है, वहां ये विन विन सिचुएशन बनी जाती है। दूसरा एक विन विन सिचुएशन बहुत अच्छा है जहां पर आप हमारे सब जैसे स्टार्टअप जो अर्ली स्टेज में होते हैं, जहां पर मार्केट शेयर अपना अभी जस्ट बढ़ा है, ग्रोथ रेट नहीं हुआ है, चलेगा। सो उस फील्ड को बोलते हैं कैश काउंट्स। वहां पर जितना भी हो सके यू कैन ऑन द कैश, जितना भी कैश निकाल सकते हो मार्केट से फटाफट यू कैन जनरेट मनी फ्रॉम इट। एंड दिस इज बिकॉज जब आपका ये मार्केट रेट हाई, मार्केट शेयर हाई है, वहां से लोअर पे जाएगा तो यहाँ पर जो अर्न किया हुआ कैश है वो आपको काम आएगा डॉग वाली सिचुएशन में। दैट्स व्हाई वहां लिखा है कि एबिलिटी टू फंड द क्वेश्चन मार्क्स एंड स्टार्स, कि डॉग में जब सिचुएशन होगी तब आपको क्वेश्चन मार्क में जाना कि नहीं जाना, या फिर स्टार में जाना कि नहीं जाना। तो यहाँ पर जितना ज्यादा मनी इफ यू आर ऑन विथ योर कपल ऑफ स्ट्रेटेजीज, प्रमोशनल द एड, एडवर्टाइजमेंट, न्यूज मीडिया, ये मीडिया जो भी करना कर सकते हो, देन this money will think about your another the contract. So this is again the important इसके साथ एक प्रोडक्ट पोजिशनिंग भी होता है, कवर्ड बिकॉज वो थोड़ा हैवी है फॉर अर्ली स्टेज इनोवेटर्स, so I have not included but you can at least see this. And लीन स्टार्टअप जो अर्ली स्टेज में होते हैं उनके लिए इंपॉर्टेंट है दिस कि लिस्ट आउट एजम्पशन ऑफ बिजनेस आइडिया, आप क्या क्या कैसे कर सकते हो, बिल्ड मिनिमम वायबल प्रोडक्ट फॉर टेस्टिंग, जो ये सारे टूल्स आपने देखे उस हिसाब से बना के, देन मेजर द रिजल्ट ऑफ टेस्ट, कि जो भी आप टेस्ट करो अर्ली फीडबैक जो मिलता है वो, एंड उसका रिजल्ट का फिर इवोल्यूशन आप करो कि भाई डिसीजन टू पिवोट करना है। पिवोट मतलब चेंज करना थोड़ा बहुत, कि ऐसा नहीं चलेगा, वैसा ही करना पड़ेगा, और मे बी प्रिजर्व की भाई जो है उसी से मैं आगे बढ़ सकता हूँ विद द सेम। So this is simple, the list. Then overall, if I share how the enterprise or startup can build. So selection of a project, आपको जो भी बनाना है, you can decide product, location कहाँ बनाओगे, प्रोजेक्ट फिजिबिलिटी स्टडी कर लिया आपने, बिजनेस मॉडल या बिजनेस प्लान बना लिया, पूरी प्रोजेक्ट की फाइल बन जाएगी जब आपके पास, then your project has been selected. Then you can decide the name, जो एंटरप्राइज बनाना होता है, सब कुछ आइडिया वैलिडेशन ये जो भी हमने देखा वो सब बनने के बाद आपका प्रोजेक्ट फाइल बनेगा। उसके बाद आपको डिसाइड करना पड़ेगा कि मैं क्या धंधा करूंगा, क्या नहीं करूंगा, मेरे डायरेक्टर कौन होंगे और डायरेक्टर का पावर क्या होगा, ये सब डिसाइड करना होता है। देन यू कैन डिसाइड द नेम ऑफ योर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, कि मेरे कंपनी का नाम क्या होगा। देन बिजनेस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, कि वहां पर 2 डायरेक्टर होंगे, 3 डायरेक्टर, उसके अंडर कितने एम्प्लॉइज होंगे, कितने डिपार्टमेंट होंगे, ये सब। Okay, so this is how you decide your address with the help of regional key. If your resources are available in Chhattisgarh and if you want to develop your business in maybe Karnataka, so you need to decide whether to have your enterprise the address जहाँ पर होता है वहाँ से, say for example every state has their own rules and regulation कि if you are using our raw materials then your maximum operation should be in our the state kind of, जैसे गुजरात में if you want to avail the benefit of the seed fund, seed grant जो होता है, so वहाँ they have clearly mentioned if you are using the our money, the taxpayers money or this Gujarat government money, then at least you should do initial operation in Gujarat, then later you can develop expand your business in other part of the country. So this is what you need to decide an address of Gujarat only. So this is just one the example. Then प्रिंटिंग ऑफ स्टेशनरी कहाँ से कैसे यू कैन डू दैट, MOA AOA कॉपीज आपको सब करानी पड़ेगी, एंड ऑल अदर रिक्वायर्ड यू कैन से मटेरियल्स, पैकेजिंग, जो भी आपके स्टेशनरी रिलेटेड डॉक्यूमेंट्स होंगे। देन ओपनिंग द बैंक अकाउंट, कौन से बैंक में अकाउंट खोला सकते हो, जैसे अभी राइट नाउ couple of banks are having this special project for startups with few the benefits. So you can open according to your the benefits. Then रजिस्ट्रेशन विद इनकम टैक्स अथॉरिटी कराना पड़ता है आपको, जहाँ से आपको पान कार्ड एंड अदर जो टान है वो सब मिलता है, सेल्स टैक्स अथॉरिटीज पे रजिस्ट्रेशन, फिर ऑब्टेनिंग क्लियरेंस सबसे आता है, जो भी कंप्लायंसेस होते हैं कंपनीज के, एमएसएमई पे रजिस्ट्रेशन होता है। एंड देन जब एक लेवल बढ़ जाता है तब आपको आगे जाके रिसोर्सेज भी मैनेज करना पड़ता है, मे बी वेयर हाउस, वो सबके लिए लैंड और सीट चाहिए, प्लांट मशीनरी है तो वो चाहिए, इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर, शायद दोनों आईटी कंपनी है तो एटलीस्ट आपको एक ऑफिस तो चाहिए जहां पर कुछ पीसीज एंड कंप्यूटर्स और वेल एस्टेब्लिश ऑफिस हो। सो अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट जब पूरा प्रोजेक्ट प्रोफाइल से आपका ये प्रोजेक्ट रिपोर्ट बनेगा, एंड देन यू कैन अप्लाई एंड ऑब्टेन सम फाइनेंस आल्सो। फॉर फाइनेंस यू मे टॉक टू सम, जैसे बहुत सारे मुद्रा स्कीम है, गवर्नमेंट इंक्यूबेशन सेंटर के ग्रांट्स होते हैं, या सॉफ्ट लॉन्स होते हैं जो नॉर्मल लॉन से थोड़ा बेनिफिट में होता है बिकॉज यू हैव स्टार्टेड योर स्टार्टअप। सो दिस इज सिंपल फॉर ऑल। अगेन आइडिया जनरेशन पे अगर कुछ और आपको बेसिक चाहिए तो हाउ यू कैन डिसाइड, आई जस्ट पुट इट लेटर पार्ट में। आइडिया जनरेशन है, उसका स्क्रीनिंग करना, देन कंसेप्ट जो आपके पास है उसको टेस्ट करना, जिसको प्रूफ ऑफ कंसेप्ट बोलते हैं, एंड देन दी टूल्स के हिसाब से आप पूरा एनालाइज कर सकते हो बिजनेस को, एंड देन यू कैन थॉट ऑफ कि मैं प्रोडक्ट डेवलप करूं, और वो भी फाइनल नहीं, टू टेस्ट द मार्केट यू नीड टू डेवलप फ्यू प्रोडक्ट्स, वर्केबल प्रोडक्ट्स, सो दैट मार्केट कैन टेस्ट योर प्रोडक्ट। एंड देन जब आप पूरा रिव्यू करते हो, पूरा लॉन्च करते हो बल्क में, तब जाके कॉमर्शलाइजेशन स्टेज में कहलाता है, एंड देन यू कैन से रिव्यू ऑफ मार्केट परफॉर्मेंस। जैसे जैसे मार्केट परफॉर्म करता हो, at the point of time you need to launch your product or maybe some variation features के साथ, जैसे मैंने कार का एग्जांपल आपको बताया, LXi, ZXi, VXi, अलग अलग वेरिएंट्स जो होते हैं, like that. So this is all about my tools and everything. So at GTU Innovation, the startup center, till date we have reached to this huge figures with the help of Startup Gujarat grant. We have supported 20-30 these startups worth 4 crore 65 lakh, and they combinedly generated employment like 570 plus the employees have been recruited. It includes supplier, dealers, everything, and their overall turnover revenue is nearly 13 crore 25 lakh. Total startups supported, not only in terms of only the funding, but couple of startups required space, couple of startups required mentoring, networking with industry people, R&D, and this all are 403. Then we generally do such capacity building and outreach program, which we have done almost 300 plus the programs. Students को जो हम sensitize करते हैं, today is also one of the session जो हम students, जैसे आज मैं देख पा रहा हूँ कि total हमारे पास 87 अभी दिख रहे हैं, total 157 थे total. So these all students have been sensitized. स्टूडेंट जो प्रोजेक्ट होते हैं, जो अप्लाई करते हैं हमारे वहाँ पर, वो 1900 नियरली 2000 है। प्रूफ ऑफ कंसेप्ट को हमने सपोर्ट करते हैं, वो 280 के आसपास है। पैटर्न, ट्रेडमार्क, डिजाइन, वो सब हमने मिला के करीबन 110 को सपोर्ट कर चुके हैं। मेंटर्स हमारे जो ऑनबोर्डेड है, दैट इज नियरली 250। वी हैव आल्सो स्टार्टेड फ्यू कोर्सेज ऑन आईपीआर, डिजाइन, इंजीनियरिंग, डिजाइन इनोवेशन पे, एंड आल्सो वी हैव स्टार्टेड एमबीए in innovation, entrepreneurship and venture development, and that required only to appear for the entrance test with one idea. If that idea has been selected by committee, then you are been admitted to the full-time course of MBA. Then startup recognized already been, right now 57 startup got recognition from Startup India and other part. And generally the key things or key part of innovation or startup creation is the parents. When they student are studying, and at the time of students, if they want to develop any idea or develop any startup, then parents are the key part to take. I think every student are agree to that. To take permission from the parents is very crucial. Every time they say कि नहीं भाई, जो कर रहे हैं इतनी ज्यादा फीस हम पे कर रहे हैं, आप क्यों पढ़ाई नहीं कर रहे हो और ये अलग अलग आइडिया के बारे में सोच रहे हो, तो हम उनको भी मोटिवेट करने के लिए जनरली फेलिसिटेट करते हैं कुछ कुछ प्रोग्राम में कि आपके बच्चे ने ये आइडिया पे काम करके यहाँ तक पहुंचा है, तो थैंक यू कि आप उनको अलाउ कर रहे हो। ऐसे करके हम बड़े से माहौल में 80 90 100 लोगों के बीच में फेलिसिटेट करते हैं और वो इतने इमोशनल हो जाते हैं और अदर भी मोटिवेट होते हैं पेरेंट्स कि भाई उनको लगे कि नहीं नहीं, हम हर एक बच्चे को एटलीस्ट ट्राई करने दें, भले वो आगे जाके फेल हो ना हो, बट एटलीस्ट उनको मौका मिल रहा है पेरेंट्स को कि भाई चलो कि बोल रहे हैं तो मैं एक बार मौका देता हूँ। सो आफ्टर दिस felicitation, nearly 20 30 startup innovators come to us and say कि इसकी वजह से हमें अलाउ किया और हमको मार्च तक का या दिसंबर तक का टाइम दिया है घर से, अगर मैं दिसंबर तक कुछ नहीं कर पाया तो वो उसके बाद जनवरी से जो बोलेंगे वो मुझे करना पड़ेगा, लाइक दैट। सो वी आर हैप्पी कि चलो एक छोटी सी इनिशिएटिव हमने ली थी बट उसका कुछ असर धीरे धीरे इंक्रीज हो रहा है। एंड ऑल्सो वी हैव बुक्स भी हमने लाइब्रेरी में, जैसे ये एक 0 to 1 बुक है, आपको थोड़ा उल्टा दिखाई दे रहा होगा शायद स्क्रीन पे, दैट 0 to 1 बुक है। देन बहुत सारे ऐसे कंज्यूमर बिहेवियर और मे बी सम इन्वेस्टमेंट रिलेटेड कुछ पढ़ना हो, बिजनेस मॉडल के रिलेटेड हो, आई विल शेयर the couple of PDF books to Harshal sir, if you can share it with all the participants, and they all are good book। और एक बुक जो है स्टीव ब्लैंक की जो 800 900 पेजेस की है, सो वो बुक तो सर सच में 4-5 हजार की बुक आती है, बट आई एम हैविंग दैट PDF, so you can share it with all, so it will be great help। और अभी लॉकडाउन है, 10-12 दिन बाकी है, so शायद they can read couple of pages, couple of chapters। एंड टोटल टीम स्ट्रेंथ हमारी अक्रॉस जो 4 रीजनल सेंटर है हमारे, अहमदाबाद, वडोदरा, सूरत, राजकोट, 34 टीम है। कोई भी सिटी से आप हो, नियर बाई सिटी अहमदाबाद, सूरत, राजकोट से कहीं से भी, तो यू कैन रीच आउट टू आवर GTU इनोवेशन एंड स्टार्टअप सेंटर एंड दे विल डेफिनेटली हेल्प यू। एंड वी हैव अदर इंक्यूबेशन वर्टिकल्स लाइक SSIP जो हम चलाते हैं, जहां पर करीबन हमने 1 करोड़ 16 लाख रुपए का एक्सपेंस कर चुके हैं, और भी फंड अभी 1 करोड़ going to soon we are going to receive। and we have Atal Incubation Center specially for biotechnology, biomedical, and DIC stands for Design Innovation Center supported by MHRD। so यहाँ पर हम प्रोडक्ट डिजाइन एंड डेवलपमेंट का काम करते हैं, ठीक है। so this is what, if you have any doubt or anything you may write to me or maybe visit our GTU Innovation Council website, so you may have the detailed information over it, okay। so that's it from my side। if you have any query so you can write to me, and hope you all have enjoyed। I have tried my best to give you the the important parts within the time limit। I think we have crossed our time limit na Arshal bhai?
Yes sir, but it is really interesting that students
Yes.
are staying online and watching your lecture, so thank you so much sir। If you can just stop sharing the screen from the top,
Yes,
we can
yes,
have quick question answer session from the students।
yes,
If
yes,
anyone has question answer, like if anyone wants to ask the question, they can write in chat,
yeah,
so it would be more convenient to discuss। There was one question when you were talking sir, it was from Arpana Tripathi। Her question is, please guide me to start solar lamps manufacturing at college level।
okay, can you repeat again?
Please guide me to start solar lamps manufacturing at college level।
Okay, so if see that maybe nearer to business only, but still if you want to make it to some advanced level, then you may utilize the the existing lab with the due permission of your principals and all, and how you can manufacture, that is depend on your the raw materials from where you are the purchasing, and then solar lamp pe how you can on the roof. Right now couple of institute organization are allowing student innovators to at least taste their idea, so you can use the the roof of or terrace of the that you can say the institute to test your the solar panel the durability and solar panel performance, and if it works then you can start manufacturing couple of few units so that you can give it to your institute to understand the performance, up to how many hours it will work and what are the glitches or how many energy you have that institute will save। So this is what, or maybe some, if other, the business aspect is required, then we can take it, offline also. But still better.
Okay. Sir, we have one more question from Parth Prajapati. You can ask question, Parth, directly.
Okay.
Hello.
Yes.
Am I audible, sir?
Yes, audible. बताइए.
Sir, how to manage budget initially when starting any startup, or how we can take or any help from different companies or something like that?
So see, this is the everyone question, and thank you so much for asking this question, so that maybe some of the persons who are assigned to ask such kind of questions will be will get the answer. So generally, in this startup ecosystem, when you have any idea, so you can reach to any incubation center first. They all are having the product development grant, at least to proof of concept grant. But what you need to do, you should have your project profile or project things ready. What project profile? I think one Hemal Patel is asked what is project profile. So project profile is one page summary kind of thing, like 200, 300 page, 200, 300 words of problem definition and statement, and the approachable solution into it. And what are the requirements, like raw material, bill of materials, or few things required to complete your model. So this is project profile is the early stage. But when you can talk about the the funding part, you can decide with a couple of units, and funding source are part so many available. You can say SSIP is right now boon for everyone, that up to 2 lakh rupees grant has been given to any selected idea. If idea is innovative somewhere, ऐसा नहीं कि कुछ छोटा सा बेकरी स्टार्ट करना हो और उसको भी यू कैन सपोर्ट. बट किसका वॉइस चालू है?
You can continue, sir. No problem.
Yes. Okay. So in that case, you can use that the SSIP, that Student Startup and Innovation Policy, and utilize up to 2 lakh rupee grant for proof of concept or prototype development. But ideas should be novel somewhere, or ideas should be up to what you can say feasible, potential. कुछ काम किया हो, at least Google करके research भी किया हो, and you may have created that things. Then definitely there are lot many incubators and others available which give you the early the funding, and also not only funding, but they will help you to prepare the budget sheet also. If you don't know how to prepare a budget sheet, cost sheet कैसे बनाना मुझे नहीं आता है, so just come up with idea, come up with the that things, bill of materials and that raw materials required for developing that things. Then according to that list, incubation center will help you to prepare your budget also, minimum budget to start with. Okay, Parth?
Thank you, sir. We'll just have one more question from Pratik. Yes, Pratik, you can ask.
So one question was asked by this Priya Sheth regarding some online resources consisting authentic real startup stories of Gujarat, which we can share it with our students. So startupgujarat.in is the website one from where you can have some things. Then also yourstories.com. Also Vyapar Jagat is working on that. Vyapar Jagat. Marcel bhai.
Yes, sir.
Vyapar Jagat is also working towards making such stories like your stories. And maybe Y Combinator, maybe foreigner, but at least to understand or to teach your students, to motivate your students, I think they can be inspired, from the point of view of what ideas should be. क्योंकि within Gujarat और नियर बाई इंक्यूबेशन सेंटर, जैसे अहमदाबाद में बहुत सारे इंक्यूबेशन सेंटर है, सो वहां पर बहुत सारे अवेलेबल हो जाते हैं आपको. आप जस्ट कोई भी 3 इंक्यूबेशन सेंटर में जाके यू कैन टॉक टू देम विथ योर आइडिया. यू विल सी अप टू व्हाट लेवल दे विल गिव यू द ऑफरिंग्स कि हम क्या क्या देंगे. जैसे कोवर्किंग स्पेस मिलता है जहां पर वहीं पर बैठ के आप काम कर सकते हो. शाम को इवनिंग में जब आप स्टडी खत्म हो जाए तो वहां जाके बैठ सकते हो, काम कर सकते हो. वहाँ की जो टीम होती है कंटिन्यूअसली यू कैन आस्क क्वेश्चंस. जैसे बोलते हैं ना कि जेओ संग एवं रंग, तो आप इंक्यूबेशन सेंटर में बैठ के काम कर रहे हो कोवर्किंग स्पेस में जैसे जिसको बोलते हैं. सो अपने आप कुछ क्वेश्चन आए तो वहाँ के लोग अदर इंक्यूबेटर्स जो होते हैं स्टार्टअप, वो भी आपको हेल्प कर सकते हैं कि भाई जैसा भी एक एमआरपी का क्वेश्चन था. एमआरपी बहुत लेटर पार्ट है, जो मैक्सिमम रिटेल प्राइस की बात है. जब कॉस्टिंग आता है प्लस आपके डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन चैनल की बात होगी, उसका कॉस्टिंग आएगा, प्लस उसके बाद आपके खुद की सैलरी, ऑपरेशन की टीम की सैलरी, वो सब मिलेगा, तब जाके यू कैन डिसाइड योर एमआरपी. सो ये सारे क्वेश्चंस आप, इसलिए इंक्यूबेशन, इंक्यूबेट का जो कॉमन मीनिंग है वो क्या होता है. इंक्यूबेट जो होता है ना, हॉस्पिटल में वर्ड यूज होता था पहले कि जब कोई बेबी बॉर्न होता था तो बाहर के एटमोस्फियर के साथ वो जल्दी से मैच नहीं हो रहा, सो एक छोटी सी पेटी में रखते थे जिसको इंक्यूबेटर बोलते हैं, जहां पर नॉर्मल लाइट और जो भी उसको चाहिए ऑक्सीजन वो सब दिया जाता था. और विद इन धीरे धीरे 2-3 दिन में या एक दिन में या कब कुछ आवर्स में वो सही एटमोस्फियर से कनेक्ट होने के बाद उसको बाहर लिया जाता है. सो सेम वे दिस इंक्यूबेशन सेंटर, जब आपका आइडिया नया होता है, सेंसिटिव है, कोई चोरी ना कर ले, या तो राइट वे में कुछ डिसाइड करना, पैरामीटर्स, फीचर्स, और मे बी channels, how to reach to customers, how to identify the raw materials, based optimum raw materials, quality raw materials, ये सब के लिए incubation center will play an important role to identify, to give you that the learning, to give you that part. So इसीलिए उसको इंक्यूबेशन सेंटर बोला जाता है. वहां पर मेंटर्स भी होते हैं. जैसे कोई इंडिविजुअल अगर कोई बड़ी कंपनी में जाके कुछ अप्रोच करके बोलेगा कि मुझे ये हेल्प चाहिए, वो हेल्प चाहिए, तो शायद उसको नहीं सुनेगा कोई. बट कोई इंक्यूबेशन सेंटर यूनिवर्सिटी का, इंस्टीट्यूट का है, और वो अगर जाके वहां पर बोलता है कि भाई दैट इंक्यूबेशन सेंटर, जैसे जीटीयू रीच टू अटीरा, अटीरा में अगर कोई इंडिविजुअल जाता है, तो शायद ये कोविड सिचुएशन की वजह से अभी तो कोई सब सुन रहे, सब लोग सुनते हैं, बट अदर देन दैट कोई ऑफ सीजन में आप जाएंगे तब शायद आपको चार्ज देना पड़ेगा. आपको मे बी जो क्यू होगी उसमें आपको वेट करके फिर आपका टर्न आएगा, तब बुलाया जाएगा फॉर टेस्टिंग और एनी अदर पर्पस. बट अगर इंक्यूबेशन सेंटर से आप गए हो तो मे बी कुछ डिस्काउंट भी हो सकता है, कुछ स्पेशल आपको टेक्निकल हेल्प भी मिल सकती है, कुछ गाइडेंस ऑन मेंटरिंग एंड दिस ऑल, कि भाई इस ये पैरामीटर नहीं चलेगा, ये ऑलरेडी बीन टेस्टेड है, या कुछ आपको ये बेनिफिट मिल सकता है इंक्यूबेशन सेंटर के साथ जाने की वजह से. So you can use that incubation centers, the all the facility.
Sure, sir. Thank you so much for enlightening the students. I now request Dr. Girish Vekaria to please present a vote of thanks to the students.
Yeah, okay.
We can take the other questions in the feedback form.
Yeah, sure. We'll take it.
Thank you, Tushar K. Panchal sir, for explain in detail key weapons of startup on behalf of Sir Petty Science College SSIP Incubation Center, Guj Coast, Gandhinagar, and Essence Tech. Thank you very much, sir. Tushar sir, you explain
so
what is the mentor, what is the characteristics of entrepreneurship, business model canvas with important appropriate illustration, SWOT. Thank you very much, sir.
Yeah, it's my pleasure, and hope all the participants have learned, and I've tried my best to give you the most important part, most important key weapons for running the startup, and other questions with the help of Harshal bhai will try to solve. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much,
Thank
sir,
you.
once again. Thanks a lot. And I just wanted to tell that if you have any questions, I'm talking to in general everyone. If you have any questions, or if you want guidance regarding entrepreneurship or how to start your business, or if you want to know more about startup and incubation cells, you can write it to us at info.essengetech@gmail.com, and we will help you to formate your idea into a prototype module and then converting into the product and placing it into the market. So we all are there to help you out. Tushar Bhai is always there with us. Professor Girish Vekaria is there. Praveen Bhai is there to help us out. I have just shared the email address in the chat. If you can just see, it is info.essengetech@gmail.com. You can write to us and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. We thank you once again, everyone, especially Tushar Bhai, for spending your precious time and guiding, around 110 to 115 students today. So thank you so much, everyone. We are happy to see you once again tomorrow, same time, and I am the only speaker tomorrow. So let's meet once again and continue the journey of entrepreneurship into innovation. Thank you so
Yeah.
much.
Thank
Thank
you.
you, Tushar Bhai.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you.